Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Alright everyone, you don't know who this already, this is Skilla. You saw me I said to you, I may have something to tell you where sound very contrary about the entertainer what they call him, George Nooks. You see me? Now, them say that George Nooks hospitalized in a Kingston public hospital for overdose of drugs, drugs abuse. You see me? Cocaine. Alright. Now, more than listen to me very carefully, because like I said, it's very contrary. Now, first of all, the police them say George Nooks on Friday a Ligani, right? And them approach him, and while them approach him, them say that George Nooks throw away one capsule which contains the drug substance. You see me? The cocaine. Now the police then go over there and then find the capsule, and them say him, right? So them suspects say him. So them bring him in a police custody. You see? So right away say once they bring him in, him a call him lawyer. You know him lawyer already, Tavares Finson, alright? Or Tavares Finson I should, So when them call the lawyer now, right? The police them say that George Nooks take the pill from half of the decks and swallow it, right? While him in a police station, them say take the pill and swallow it. So that is how George Nooks now end up in a KPH, Kingston Public Hospital, under police guard. You see me I said to you over the weekend and support. So that happened the Friday, say in the Saturday. So on Sunday now, while back at the station and them searching car or whatsoever, it doesn't even matter. The point of me I try to make is that them release him and them saying free of charge. So what me really ask is, if this man did swallow some form of cocaine, I mean, wouldn't it be that the Kingston Public Hospital would have give a report of the substance that in our bloodstream or inside our body or something? We don't hear nothing more about that. You see what I say? So could it be that the police them a tell lie on George Nooks? You see what I say? Because we all hear say that we all hear the rumor say that him take him is a substance abuse man. You see what I say? The cocaine thing and so forth. We hear the rumor, and we even have report where him get charges in 2017 for the same drug-related problem. You see what I say to you? But what contrary about this to me is that if him take the pill, where is the hospital report about something like this? You see what I say? And that's one thing we need to look on. But anyways, I don't know thing already. George Nooks was in hospital, and that's the whole thing really happened. You see me I said to you, police then catch him, bring him in, then say swallow the pill, and go hospital, and then everything go free of all charges. And that's a good thing for George Nooks right now. You see me I say, so big up yourself George Nooks. You see me I say, anyway there, and you don't know, big up you my viewers, because no for never really understand what go on, and that is the reason why I have to tell my viewers exactly how it go. You see me I say, yeah, that's how the thing go. You see me? Anyways, I don't know the thing already. I'm gonna bring two new hot on social media. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave in the comment and let me know what you think. Alright? My name is Skilla, and this way just see a Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself and you see it.